Hey everyone, it's Mark Schultz here with DigitalAircraft, and I'm very excited to continue to have some interviews here at the MRO Americas 2023 in Atlanta. And I'm here today with Spirit AeroSystems, and I wanted to make an introduction. Could you tell everybody your name and what do you do, basically, first of all, please?
Yeah, I'm Kailash Krishnaswamy. Been with Spirit about 6 years now, but I currently run the aftermarket business at Spirit. So Spirit essentially goes to market in 3 different divisions: commercial, military, and aftermarket, and I run the aftermarket business.
Perfect, good. So I think many times people need to better understand sort of that segment that you're working in. So could you just give us a little bit more information about what is the aftermarket business, please?
Yeah, so Spirit aftermarket, we go to market primarily in 2 ways. One is, we fulfill spares for the OEM. So, the Rolls-Royce, Collins, the Boeing, Airbus. And then we also go to the MRO route, which is the repair route. And as part of the repair organization, we essentially have airlines as our customers. And so, just globally, we have been in about, 4 different countries in the past. And over the last year and a half, we've kind of grown to be a lot closer to a lot of our international airline customers.
Yeah, very good.